Guys, what we got here is 2020 Toyota Corolla. You know why I'm actually filming this very car here? This car looks very astonishing. This car looks very great. Look at the doors, look at the steering, look at the seats. It looks very, very sleeky. And look at the dashboard. Wow, Toyota quite improved in the dashboard, unlike the cheap chops stuff they've been making. And look at the door panels. It looks great. Now, we got a problem. We got a problem, man. We got a problem. This very car, this 4-cylinder model here, it came equipped with electric coolant pump. And when you come to the condenser, Toyota did something very quite spectacular that is raising some eyebrows. What exactly is the problem which Toyota engineered to this very car? It comes right down to the condenser. The condenser, you see, this is their old model type and this is the new model type. It looks very fancy and sleeky, right? No, it's not fancy. It is a trap. It got a rubber clip with the design here for it to break each time you want to bring down this condenser. And if you don't have it, you are stuck, right? So where the hell is that reliability which people talked about? Maybe it's for the car, and this is what it looks like. No matter how hard you try, it's gonna break. So don't waste your time trying to save it. Just get another one before trying to work on this very condenser, else things is gonna go shitty ways, right? So realistically, there are more plastic in this very car, like many other things. You can see here, plastic top, plastic this, plastic that, plastic cover of the gearbox. So BMW thing is actually going on more here. Seems like after the collaboration, Toyota decided to use more plastic for the engine than the usual aluminum, which a lot of people praise for its longevity. So guys, that's it. Don't forget it. Don't forget what I told you, else when you forget it, you gotta remember this video. And catch you guys later.